UK, you can carry this. It's 20 CV blade steel, carbon fibre scales, a slip joint locking system, which is really quite shit actually. Like, I mean, it's not that it's a bad locking system, it's just that it doesn't lock. That's the whole point. It's a slip joint. It's the first slip joint I've owned. One-handed. Look at that. That's a bit boring, isn't it? I got the sheep's foot style knife blade. Looks nice in the hand. It's quite light, top heavy, because the scales weigh almost nothing. But it's really boring. If your granddad pulled this out to cut his potatoes or something, you wouldn't feel uneasy. You feel that's a granddad knife, and that's what it is. That's what makes you feel like with it in your hand, even though it's £200 with change. But that's what it is. But you're allowed to carry on the street with a purpose, I guess. That's fine. You get legal. Zero tolerance zt0235. But the most boringest tool I have in my collection, but also the most legal one. So I'm kind of it's sharp. Cut my finger, look. You see that? Took ages to calm down. Still, it's sharp. But look at that. That's boring, isn't it? No consideration for the user. Got no consideration for the user on the handles. Zero tolerance. I think you dropped the ball in this one. I'm not convinced. It's in my collection though.